How to do disk partition in new Windows 11 laptop. Hey there, Windows 11 users. Are you looking to partition your new laptop's disk to better organize your files and improve system performance? Well, you're in luck because today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do disk partitioning in Windows 11. Let's get started. First, let's explore how to access disk management in Windows 11, where we'll be able to create and manage disk partitions. To do this, click on the Start menu and type Disk Management in the search bar. Then, click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions from the search results. Here, you'll see a list of all the disks connected to your computer, along with their partitions. To create a new partition, right-click on it and select Shrink Volume. Enter the amount of space you want to shrink the partition by. Then click Shrink. Now, you'll have unallocated space that you can use to create a new partition. Next, follow the on-screen wizard to specify the size, drive letter, and file system for your new partition. Once you've configured the settings, click Next and then Finish to create the partition. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new partition on your Windows 11 laptop. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy partitioning.